Here are 5 things we noticed on our wedding day.
Our wedding was 1 week ago, so we still remember things.
Yes, we remember.
Number 1.
When we said there will be a lot of kissing, what we meant was that the kissing is going to happen betwixt us two.
Between the people that are getting married.
Yes.
You get.
Not between the guests.
Adeswa
And Banky W. Come to the front.
You were Bibi's Loloskin. When they said kiss cam, what they said you should do was mwah. But
yes,
no.
a little mwah.
A little mwah. But you went and you were Loloskin.
They were ministering to themselves in lip service. Is that the correct way to say lip service?
Yes. Number 2.
People who were in our comment section for every video or photo that we posted before the wedding asking, I thought they were married. I thought they were married.
I thought they were already married. Will you?
We have all your comments here. It's for the sake of God, and we are entering into a new year that's making us not call you out.
I thought they were married.
Moving on.
Number 3.
This one came as a shocker to me when I received the report. It says here that Malta Guinness was exhausted before
the party
ended. What happened?
Hello? The number of Malta Guinness cans that Guinness gave us. They said, you people
will drink and it will be over. 12 baskets full. Only
for the party to be over. I said, they said, if I what do you want to use to relax?
He said Malta Guinness.
I said, please give me Malta Guinness. What did they say?
It is finished. You know what we'll do? We have to review. We will review the CCTV footage from the wedding.
And I want to know how many of you drank 2 bottles of Malta Guinness. In fact, if you drink 2 cans, it still should be left, for God's sake. This is my pain point, please.
I'm sorry. Relax yourself.
Number 4.
We all noticed it, that our event planner, Zafire Events, aka Auntie
Funke
Bokno, was dancing more than the couple.
Excuse me. Wait first.
At some point during this is the report. At some point during the wedding, the groom, Item, had to increase his dancing steps and skills to be able to meet up and match the expectations of the guests. Auntie Funke.
Why? Because Auntie Funke Bokno decided to dance more than us. I don't know how I feel about it.
But we move on.
Number 5. I need you to allow me.
Do the honors. Do you want to read the report or you just want to speak from your heart?
Those of you who brought bundles of money but refused to finish spraying us.
Yes.
I just want to know what your plan was. Why will you bring stack of money like
this? And spray 3.
What's the plan?
What is the use?
What's the use?
We have some names here.
Yes.
Number 1 on the list.
Kiki
had a bundle that my eyes counted as up to 3.5 million.